你好, welcome to 1 Minute Chinese. 1 minute a day makes your Chinese great. In this lesson, we will talk about the final yo. When you see the English letter IU in Pinyin, the pronunciation is yo. It's a combination of the Mandarin Chinese E and the O sounds. Say yo. It's like the yo in the English phrase, yo, check this out. Say yo. Now mimic the mouth shape in the video carefully and repeat after it. Yo. 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 Pronunciation exercise for yo sound. Let's combine the initial the final yo, and the high pitch first tone all together. The yo dio. Repeat after me. The yo dio 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 dio. Dio is to throw in Chinese. Let's combine the initial qi, the final yo, and the high pitch first tone all together. Qi yo qiu. Repeat after me. Qi yo qiu. Qiu qiu qiu. Qiu is autumn in Chinese. When the final yo is not following an initial or consonant, it is spelled as Y-O-U and pronounced yo. Let's combine the final yo and the high rising second tone, the question tone, all together. E, O, yo. Repeat after me. E, O, yo. Yo, yo, yo. Yo is oil in Chinese. Question. When you see IU and YOU in Pinyin, how would you pronounce them? Answer is yo. Are there any topics that you're interested in learning Chinese? Feel free to comment below. We're here to help. Thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe, and click the notification bell to get notified whenever we post a new video. 1 minute Chinese a day makes your Chinese great. Have a blessed day.